Okay, what I've got here is what was in that parentheses after we factored out the -2. This is the thing we're breaking into binomials. So we're going to be examining this for the information here. In step 4, it says put AX, meaning this is the A term, and then put X, not the squared part, in the first position of both. This is not how the final answer is going to look. We're doing this as 6x and 6x. You can see that that would actually, if we were to try and multiply it back together, we'd get 36x squared, not that. So it seems like, that wouldn't be right. Don't worry about it. This is the method we're using. We will correct this error later. This is going to help us solve it. Okay, so we just take this here without the squared and put it there and there. That's what you do for step 4.